Have you ever wondered why sometimes a cracking sound comes from our bones? Why do these pat 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 crackers burst? Our bones have joints, and between these joints is a sticky, thick liquid called synovial fluid. This liquid makes our bone movements smooth, maintains flexibility, and prevents collisions. When we stretch or move, the liquid stretches too, forming air bubbles. When these bubbles burst, we hear that pat-pat cracking sound. Some think cracking bones causes arthritis or weakens bones, but that's not true. Crack them freely without worry.